Ngayon ko nararamdaman na dati kong empleyado, ngayon meron na akong sariling hanap buhay, na ako na yung employer na hindi pala ganun kadali. Kailangan pagbutihin mo kasi maraming umaasa, may mga pamilya na kailangan lumago pa lalo yung hanap buhay para mabigyan mo rin sila ng magandang kinabukasan.
The city of Santa Rosa is a city in the province of Laguna, Philippines. It is also known as the Lion City of the South. Progress in the South is continuous as large multinational industries and manufacturing companies have set up base in Santa Rosa. Highly progressive, Santa Rosa is also known as the investment capital of South Luzon. Like a lion's roar for supremacy, Edge's homemade food business has continued to prosper and thrive despite business difficulties and challenges. While experimenting and mixing key ingredients, she made her first peanut butter with only 1 kilo of peanuts. Today, in an 812 square meter lot, Edge's Peanut Butter manufactures up to 15 to 20 tons of peanut butter in a month.
Nung nanalo akong micro-entrepreneur, hindi ko naman talaga akalain nationwide yung laban. Nagulat ako na yun, may pumasok ka sa semifinals, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, ano ba yun? Hindi ko maintindihan. Tapos hanggang nung awarding, nagulat ako na andong yung mga judges.
For Jenilyn, all still seemed to be like a dream when her peanut butter business became an answered prayer for a regular source of income that would pay for her dues and help put food on the table. Money from the award of 2006 was used to buy a grinding machine and upgrade of their production area.
Nagka-problema rin ako noon kasi yung isang bakery na, malaking bakery na kumuha sa amin, nung manalo ko, kinwestiyon nila bakit ako sumasali. Sabi ko kasi, hindi ko alam nationwide. Hanggang winarningan nila ako na low profile sila. Hindi pwedeng malaman na supplier. Tapos, nung time na yon, sabi ko, bakit? Kasi wala raw tiwala yung mga customers sa gawa ng isang homemade.
The challenge for quality products encouraged Jenilyn to push forward and prove that homemade brands can be competitive. Obstacles are part of life, and she knew that in business, the same theory applies, that when a door closes, another opens. One good thing led to another as she was able to close deals with even bigger clients. She now supplies to Julie's Bake Shop's 500 branches nationwide. 40% of production is for Julie's Bake Shop, with a 2.8 million worth of sales a month. She also supplies to SM supermarkets and other bake shops like French Baker with her own brand name. To meet market demands, she invested in equipment that cut production time to almost half. Jenilyn believes that continuous improvement is needed to become competitive in the market. Cleanliness and hygiene is a priority in her production. Quality and freshness, she says, is the only thing that she can offer her customers and the one sure way to share her blessings to others. Back then, it was a husband and wife team with 6 employees. She now supports 22 regular employees. The average annual sales of the business is now at 27 million pesos, with an annual profit of 3 million pesos. With her current exports to Japan and Singapore, Jenilyn's business outlook is for Edge's food products to become more visible in the market as a high-quality brand name while satisfying more customers with her homemade peanut products. In the near future, she hopes that her raw materials can come from the Philippines.
Yung raw mat kasi, nanggagaling siya ng China. Kasi yung local, hindi siya pasado dun sa standard na kailangan ng pagpuproduce ng peanut butter. Kasi mas malaki yung nagiging spoilage niya, halos 40% pag gagamitin yung local. Pero mas masarap sanang gamitin yung local, kaso malulugi ka naman pag yung gagamitin mo. Pero sana matulungan din ng gobyerno yung mga local farmers para makaproduce din ng mataas na quality ng raw mats.